Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Ready? Where's your nose? Okay. Where's your mouth? Where are your ears? Where's your head? Yeah, there's your head. What else do you know? Do you know where your feet are?
Wow.
Do you know where your feet are? No, we haven't learned that one yet, huh? Can you clap? Yay! Can you blow kisses? Can you say please? Yeah, that's please in sign language. Good job. Can you say banana?
Banana.
Banana, yeah, and there's the sign for it. Can you say apple?
Apple.
Apple, yeah. Can you say, what else do you know? Cracker?
Caca.
Cracker. Leo?
Leo.
What about Hannah?
Havana.
Hannah. And Arthur? Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Come give me a hug? Oh, thank you. That was a good hug. Now can you say bye-bye?
Okay.